Open black lens bracket wide compatible close black lens bracket input 12 volts to 24 volts. Output 5V, 2A. Also fits for 1A. With both mini and micro USB ports, this Hardwire kit compatible with all of dashcams. Fit for brand: iiwey, ORSKEY, Claoner, APEMAN, Peztio, Innosinpo and so on, but not fits for all Garmin devices. Open black lens bracket low voltage protection close black lens bracket comes with a sensitive voltage sensing switch. It will monitor the car battery voltage in real time. Once the voltage is lower than 11.6 volts, it will cut the power supply, leaving enough power to ignite the engine. Open black lens bracket 24-hour power on close black lens bracket makes the parking monitor of your dashcam work. Keeps it powered even after engine off. Protect your car all day. Open black lens bracket shielding magnetic ring included close black lens bracket. Your car radio will be interfered after installed most of dashcams. This kit will help you solve this problem. Open black lens bracket. Everything is prepared for you. Close black lens bracket. We have upgraded it to a total length of 4.0 meters. It come with all needed install tools, and wire connectors at all cable connections makes installation easier and firmer. Also a detailed instruction provided in package. Top reviews from the United States. Shielding magnetic ring was included but hard to spot. I was able to install my wiring with plenty of spare length on a Subaru Impreza 2018. The fuse box is in a panel in front of the driver's knee. I routed the cable above the rear view mirror toward the driver's side, then along the rubber weather protection near the door. There was space in front of the fuse box for the transformer, voltage detection block. I plugged into the ACC accessory port so that the camera only turns on when the car is on.